Okay, friends, so remember we're practicing addition or adding, and that means that we're going to join numbers or join sets of objects together to make a new number, okay? So first, let's figure out how many fish we have in the pond all together. So that means we have to join all of the fish together, okay? Ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 fish in the pond all together. Okay. Now Ms. Blanks is going to show you how to create a number sentence using these pictures. Okay. So I'm going to take those numbers off of the fish. And remember, when you're creating a number sentence, you always have to have 2 sets of objects, okay, or 2 groups of objects. Okay, so what we have are our 2 pink fish, that's one group, and then our 1 blue fish, okay? That's our other group. Okay? So we're going to start with our pink fish. So what number can I use to represent the number of pink fish we have? The number 2, okay? And then we're going to use the plus symbol because remember, we're joining all of the objects that we have together, okay? And remember, plus means to join, okay? So how many fish came to join? Yes, 1. Okay, 1 came to join. Okay, so far our number sentence says 2 because we had 2 pink fish plus 1 because 1 blue fish came to join equals, and remember equals means we need to join everything together. Okay, so let's count to figure it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now our number sentence says 2 plus 1 equal 3, okay? Because we have 2 pink fish plus 1 because 1 blue fish came to join equals, and when we counted everything together, we got the number 3, okay? All right, now we're going to practice another word problem, but this time we're not going to make a number sentence. We're just going to figure out how many frogs are in the pond in all, okay? So there were 4 frogs in the pond. 1 frog came to join them. How many frogs are there in all? Okay. So Ms. Blank circled the word join and the words in all because those both mean put them all together or join them all together. Okay, so when we're joining all of our frogs together, that's how we're going to figure out how many frogs are in the pond. So let's do that. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there are 5 frogs in the pond all together. Good job. All right, so for your assignment, you will have 2 assignments, okay? Your first one, you will create an anchor chart that you will use when you are practicing adding or joining numbers and sets of objects together. You will also create a number sentence on that anchor chart. And your other assignment is you will be practicing solving word problems below this video, okay? Good luck, and make sure if you need help, you can watch this video as many times as you need to. All right, see you soon.